Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys know I normally don't do product reviews and I don't do install videos except for a couple that I got out there. But there's one thing I really wanted to talk about this time because I did a lot of research on it, is a cargo rack. So there's only two Rusty JL cargo rack videos that I found out there on the internet, and it's for soft top JL. Well, I have a hard top, so I was kind of curious about it. And maybe you might be curious about it too. So I picked one up, fairly priced. But I want to let you know some of the questions I had, because I had a lot of questions before putting a cargo rack into my Wrangler, because does it make noise, you know, different things like that. So come on, let me show you what we got going on here with this JL cargo rack. And overlook the Wranglers because it's love bug season here in Louisiana, and they're getting a groove on all over the roads. All right. So here we have the Rusty's JL cargo rack, okay? It comes powder coated, right? It's easy to put together. It's got like 5 panels total, right? You put them together with the little flange nuts and the screws, no big deal. And then you got over here on the side, I don't know if we can get a look around the side window over here. Let's see if we can get a look at the side window over here and see if we can see it. No, it's kind of dark, but there's a bracket that fits onto the side of it, right? And so the bracket mounts right here onto the roll bar of the JL Wrangler. 2 bolts, all it is. And you already got your 2 holes in here. Let's see. No, I'm not gonna pull it off, because right now I've got my light around it, and I've got my fire extinguisher over here around the other side, because I was able to put my my plastic pieces back over it. I still got some trim work I gotta do on it. Powder coated. I rode around on it for 2 days now. 0 noise. Very heavy duty and sturdy. Went on Amazon, I got me a little $10 little cargo net that holds on all 4 corners of it here, so I'll be able to put my stuff in there easily. And one of the other things I liked about it is I like things to match. So that actually matches my Rusty's rock sliders. If you know anything about Rusty's rock sliders, that's like $1,200. That $1,200 is a good investment, because those things are heavy duty and they've kept me from bashing up my damn Jeep. So invest in some Rusty's rock sliders, if you will, if you're looking for a quality set. So anyway, all in all, just want to say, hey, powder coated, simple to put together, no noise. It's just a great product. Seems like it's going to work out for us. All right, thanks for watching, guys.